Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to log into Discord with your token. Now let's begin. To do this, what we need to do first is open our web browser and search for Discord. Click on their website and then click login. After that, here in this page, what we need to do is click on the three dots at the upper right of our screen. And then click on more tools. Now, click on the developer tools. After that, we need to click the application section. We need to find the local storage and then click the Discord link. And in the right side of that, where there are two rows, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the last column where there is nothing, click that, and in the key row, input token. And at the other row, you need to put your link. And after that, we just need to reload the site and it will automatically log in our account. And that's how to log into Discord with your token. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.